If no, then you're lonely. Why? Wow, that's great, National. That's great. Wow. Hello, my 8 viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And also please subscribe the one I pinned. Or's Life and to National Nursery Rajkot. Please subscribe, guys. And they will also subscribe to you in return. Just comment on their videos. Thanks for the support, guys. Or's Life, thank you for the kind gift.
Ko sa mga dasal ko, hindi ang kamatayan ni Atty. Mer. Hindi ko alam, anak. Ganito pala ang mangyayari.
Ay, hindi po. Hindi po. Hindi po kayo may gawa nito. Kayo po na walang ibang ginawa kundi ang mahalin lang ako. Hindi po kayo may kasalanan. Hindi po kayo. Totoo po may kasalanan. Nasa labas. At sisiguraduhin ko po na pagbabayaran niya lahat ng ginawa niya.
You're unbelievable. Nagtatago ka na ngayon sa akin. Me? I'm telling you, Lorena, kahit maubos natin lahat ng wine at itong alak,
7 viewers, hello, hello,
mahihiman
hello.
tayo sa palasin.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Hindi ko ba kung ano yung mga tinatago?
How are you guys?
I will insist to find out what is in that head. You know why? Magka-leche-leche man. Sa dulo ng lahat ng ito, I'm still going to be the one to represent you in court. So, please tell me now, so I can fix it.
Yan ang laging balang. Sa marami mong laban, mga babae ang pinakronta mo to receive the bullets for you.
Like last night.
Hello, Atty. Patrick. Nasa party ka pa? How about private?
Ano daw po siya?
Oh, okay, thank you.